Finally, from your View Book page, if you scroll down, you can see your ebook details. And if you need to make any kind of changes, such as changing the current price or downloading a digital copy of your book, you can do so with the various settings here. On the right side, you can also see the status. Currently, it says publishing, which means your book is still in process of being published on these below platforms. If you check back over the course of a few days, you will notice that an additional category shows up that says published and which platforms have already published your book, as well as updated estimated dates for the amount of time remaining until your book is published on each individual platform. Finally, at the very bottom, should you wish to delist your ebook or your print book, you can do so with the delist ebook or delist print book button.